Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, and it is F day. If you are in periods 2 and 4 today, you are asynchronous. And the activities that you're completing are you are working in your writer's notebook using a journal list of your top 10 moments. I will show you that on Schoology right now. So here I am in week 6 on October 6th today, asynchronous, and my first activity is the week 6 activity journal. There are directions right here for you to read and complete. It involves setting your timer and doing a couple of different rotations. After you're finished the journal, you need to click on the grammar, adjective, and adverb phrases video. I created a video talking you through those prepositional phrases that we were looking at last week. So the video is going to talk about how to identify prepositional phrases and how to decide whether they are adjective phrases or adverb phrases. At the end of the video, I have some practice problems that I do along with you, and I would highly recommend maybe pausing and seeing if you can find the answer for each one before I give the answer, so that you give yourself a chance to see if you know what you're doing with these phrases or not. And then you can see right afterward if you had the right answer. Then lastly for today, you're going to click on the third link, and that's independent reading. You're going to use our leftover class time today for asynchronous to continue reading your book for your quarter book talk. So for periods 2 and 4, you're doing the writer's notebook top 10 moment journal list. You're going to watch a video on adjectives and adverb phrases, and again, I encourage you to kind of pause before each one to see if you can figure out the answer before I go over it. And then you're going to read your quarter book talk book independently. For my PM classes, periods 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, we are synchronous today. And while we are on Zoom, we will talk about types of narratives. We will watch a video about what nonfiction narratives are and how they might fit into the category of types of narratives. And then you will read a story on Common Lit, How Jackie Robinson Changed Baseball. We will do all of those together and complete those together live on Zoom. So I will see you on Zoom for that for periods 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Also, a shout out, that reminder, today from 2:30 to 2:50, we will also have a team-wide advisory meeting for all homerooms for 8C. So all Trailblazer homerooms will be having a meeting on Zoom this afternoon. It's just some announcements and some messages that we have for you guys. So it will probably only be like 10 or 15 minutes, but we've allotted 2:30 to 2:50. So we really hope that you can join us for that time. All right, guys, I will see you later today, and I hope you have a great day.